We are on day 3 of re-roofing our house. Yesterday went really well. We got a lot accomplished. We got the carport side of the roof done. Got the ridge cap on. Got the trim on. Then we started over here on the other end of the house, only because the way they loaded our material, this was like the next pieces. So we got this done, and then now we're starting on the other side. We're starting on the middle here, just because Bill thought it would be easier to keep everything lined up. Get this side of the house done, and work on this, then work on the front of the house. Yeah, it's going great. We haven't had any real big hiccups. We are having to cut some of the metal because it's a little bit long. That's all right, it's not that big of a deal. But the last video, you probably seen us pre-drilling before we got all the metal up here, and then we screwed it. The reason why we did that is we would measure out how many sheets we would need per side, and then we'd stack them all together and pre-drill. We'd measure pre-drill, and that way once you get it all up here, you just line it up, measure it, make sure it's good to go, screw it down. It's way faster to do that, to go ahead and just pre-drill the sheets. So that's why we did that. But anyways, everything's going great. We're gonna have a little more help today, I'm pretty sure. My friend John's coming over, but yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Let's get the clock out here. Let's get the clock out here. It is 2:37.
2:37. What time?
Hey, in
What?
an Indian village, some people hunt, and the ones that work around the house are the squaws.
Hey, what time zone are you working on, man?
I thought y'all would wait till after the deer season. Or after hunting time.
Next year.
What's the deal?
Well, you get you one?
All right. I did.
Did you bring us a bite of her?
I actually do have some deer meat in the cooler.
Yeah.
It's from the last one I killed. It's been in the cooler for about a week.
You wanna wear my belt?
Can I wear your tool belt while I do this?
You want to
Bill?
finish your bridge?
Where's it go, Bill?
I'm not going to put the
Ask
bridge on
Bill
until
if he
you
can
get
wear
the
his
other
tool
side
belt.
Bill, where's this go at? Bill, where's this go?
done. Yeah, right there, right in that bottom.
This little lip right here. Can I wear your tool belt while
No, you borrow your knife,
Yeah.
start a hole with it.
Where's the cobalt drill at?
Cobalt.
Push, sucker. He never heard a good one. That cobalt won't do that.
Keep going?
Till it stops.
Well, not until it stops.
My goodness.
Can you reach one right there?
Bobby.
Oh, Duke's trying to sleep over here, Bill. No.
At least there aren't any nails on it.
I know. Nothing. She'll run through nails like it's nothing.
John, you go ahead. You can go home. Yeah, you can get the rest of the day off. You work so hard.
Only 145 that the cell phone says.
Does he get the same pay?
145.
He don't get the same pay.
I think Nathan said that you can go home, but he's gonna need some tenderloin.
Yep. Bats are flying around now.
Ask Bill if he's got that trailer loaded up. You got everything put up?
You know it. He's ready to go.
I'm waiting on y'all. You're waiting on me, you're backing up, he says.
Woo! We are done. 3 days. We got it done. Sun's going down. Oh yeah.